Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West. Comes with a slip of paper that tells you the prices of everything. And it looks like I got 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So I will unbox it here and then insert pictures at the end. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like this, but I bet, well, maybe it's not too see-through. This is cute though. Has stripes going horizontal and then they switch direction and it's nice and flowy. Very soft too. That's adorable. Then we have some jeggings. Those are cute. Thick band. Pockets on the back. These are nice. And then everything else is in here. See the necklace sneaking in there, so we'll take a look at that. Looks like it's rose gold. Very long, and it is adjustable there on the chain. Unique design. And I'll insert the prices at the end as well. Another pair of pants. Tummy control pants. They have zippers in the front. Nice and thick, really thick material. And those do not have pockets on the back, but there's a little bunching or whatever you want to, however you want to describe that. And then 2 tops. I love this bluish gray. Nice one for fall. Decently long sleeves, and this is a thicker material too. Sometimes a lot of the shirts are real thin, but this looks nice. Kind of swoops at the end. And then a beautiful maroon color. Oh, that's interesting. It's completely mesh all the way at top and then solid at the bottom. Cute. So that is what I got today. I'll go ahead and insert those photos and the prices of everything. If you guys are interested, I do have a promo code below and a link to a playlist in case you want to see other outfits I've received from Nadine West. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.